Hello, welcome back to Belle's Reading Corner. Today we are going to read about a story, The City Bat and the Country Bat. Meet a bat named Bob. He lived in the city. Meet a bat named Betty. She lives in the country. One day, Bob went to visit Betty. Welcome, she said. I'll show you all the cool things to do in the country. At first, the two bats had a blast. They flew around the farm, flap, flap, flap. They ate watermelon. They talked to a cow. They hung upside down in the barn. There was only one problem. It got very dark. That made it hard for Bob to relax. I miss the city, cried Bob. Let's go to my home. I'll show you all the cool things to do in the city. Okay, said Betty. At first, the two bats had a blast. They flew around the city, flap, flap, flap. They ate fancy candy. They talked to a spider. They hung upside down in a house. There was only one problem. A man lived in the house, and he did not like bats one bit. When he saw them, he screamed. That made it hard for Betty to relax. I miss the country, she cried, so she decided to go home. Bye-bye, Bob, said Betty. Then she flew away. After that, Betty lived happily in the country. Flap, flap, flap. And Bob lived happily in the city. Flap, flap, flap. But they talked to each other every night on their bad phones. Okay, so that's the end of the story. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.